No.
Saul doesn't want to do my car.
I do not.
I've been wanting to do this so long. I love this car, man. Even driving this thing with absolutely no power, like, I still love this car. It's the sound, bro. It's really the sound for me. That flutter is just, yeah. You know what gets me? This car hasn't been running in 2 years, right? There be people like, bro, what's check engine light for? Why you got check engine light? I'm like, are you serious, bro? Like, y'all saw this car was in like pieces, bro. It had nothing. There was no interior, no dash, no motor, no harnesses, no wires. Like, bro, it was like a shell damn near. And y'all want to worry about the damn check engine light? I ain't even cared about what it is. Ooh, one time for the one time? Okay. Appreciate you guys for tuning in to all the videos recently. I'm trying to do the best I can, man, get you guys some content. All I'm waiting for now is a master to have some time and get this thing tuned and see how it goes. Go from there.
3 days later.
I told you guys that I think that I messed my lip up, but I wasn't sure. And sure enough, when I looked, yeah, it's effed up. I don't know, I hit like a dead dog, or there was something dead and I just didn't see it. I hit that shit at like 70. The lip is still on there, it's just effed up. What is going on here? Y'all believe that? I don't know, man. I mean, he does have some nittos on there, but I don't know about 800, dog. Oh, hell no, he got it on that one too. Oh, jeez. You see that launch? But this is the first time I've seen someone put a sticker on their bumper that says 800 horsepower. No gamma, dog. God damn, she's sitting close to the steering wheel. If that airbag blows, it's about the Elon Musk move. That shit going straight to the moon. Gonna knock your damn head off. Bro, this car is so smacked. But nice. Bro's guts and shit are still all up on it. That's just nasty. That's disgusting. Sick ass lip. I think it's salvageable though. Oh shit, it's about to come off soon. Alright guys, we here?
No.
Saul doesn't want to do my car.
I do not.
Tune his
It's
car.
been bothering me for
Fucking tune me!
How do you feel about that? Huh?
very good, very happy.
Yes.
Yes.
He's crying.
No more cloud.
He won't be able to sleep at night.
He doesn't sleep right.
He banned me from Tune! I didn't even do anything! It's been so fucking long!
I'll show you long.
Look, he hasn't tuned me till my fucking lip broke. I hit a fucking tuned dog. Fuck. Look at that. Shit looks good. Right in time, man. We got a show tomorrow at the convention center. Should be pretty lit. Thing looks really good, man. It's clean. So, trying to let this thing cool off for a bit. Gotta pull off the stock GTR injectors, throw my IDs in there, and we should be ready. A wideband sensor, gotta swap that out, and after that, send it, see what happens. Like I said, this isn't my motor. I didn't build it personally, I got it used. I haven't hit any kind of boost in this car, so I don't know if the motor's good. Like, you know, anything can happen. So I'm just hoping to leave here with like 650 plus. That'll be good for now, just to get this thing back out there, drivable, be able to do some pulls and shit. And then later on we can figure out, you know, turning the boost up some more or whatever. But I don't know, we'll see what it does. I'm gonna try to send it at least like 20 pounds. That should be good for at least like 700 on the street. It is a mid-mount kit, so all the heat like gets super trapped under there, so it doesn't really read the greatest on the dyno. Obviously it's not getting like any air. The turbo is literally sitting over here, so when the car's stationary, just sitting here on the dyno, it's just consistently just sucking up hot ass air. So it doesn't really have a true number until it's on the street, actually getting some airflow into the car. But we'll see what happens, man. Hope for the best. All right, so it was a little too late to put the car on the dyno, so doing some street shit just to get this thing, you know, be able to do a pull, you know what I'm saying? We pretty much have like a small tune on it, nothing crazy. We didn't get it on the dyno, just something to where I could drive it. If I want to hit a little bit of boost, I can. We did a few small pulls in second gear. Wastegates weren't even opening in second, so it sounds kind of like not the same, but I haven't did a third gear pull yet. They should open in third. I mean, shit, you can drive it. Car has a somewhat tune on it. Now my fucking, all of a sudden, my stupid ass throttle bodies want to start acting up. You can hear it when I shift. The throttle bodies are like keeping the RPMs up. Man. Ah! Yeah, we tried doing a throttle body relearn, but it didn't do shit. I can't even shift properly with my damn legs this close. It's annoying. I mean, it feels decently good. Yeah, this yard sounds beautiful.
Later.
Got some somewhat beaters on today. Damn. I didn't even grab my key. Alright guys, I did another throttle body reset. Probably ain't gonna do shit, but whatever. Oh, you bitch. I mean, right now it's acting normal. Probably until I start driving around, it's gonna start acting stupid. There she goes. Shit makes me not even want to drive this car, honestly. It's so annoying. Give you like the first legitimate pull that I did in this car. I did like a little baby second, third, but I'm gonna give you guys a full send all the way. Hopefully I can do it with sitting this damn close to the steering wheel. Shit is so uncomfortable, bro. I don't know, man. I hit him up on the cage. I'm like, yo, you guys gonna make me another one? They're just like kind of lagging now, so I don't know. I've been wanting to do this so long. It just doesn't sound the same, bro. With the wastegates not opening, it's not the same. It sounds like a little bitch. That shift though. I would say it feels about like 6. It's definitely not as fast as the last setup, 100%. My third gear used to be so much shorter, and I was like kind of waiting to shift, but it wasn't at redline yet, so that's how I know, because I'm so used to like shifting so quick. I mean, it's not doing too bad. It feels all right. Look at that Mustang. Yo, I got 5K. Alright, so I could tell that the car didn't feel 100%. I'm like, even though it's boosting, something just felt off. So I was reviewing my footage and watching the video really closely at my gauges, and you know, driving, I can peek over and I can look at the boost, and I'm seeing the boost peak, like it's doing okay on peak boost, but after I kept watching, I noticed that the car is dropping hella boost during the pull. Like by the time I hit redline, it already dropped like 6 pounds. So that's definitely an indication that there's a boost leak somewhere, or could be something wastegate related. If not, it could just be the turbo. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the lift and just check all the clamps, make sure everything's tight, and let's go from there. Like, the car felt all right, but I could just tell that it felt really slow up top. So like the initial hit felt good, but it was just losing power, and found out why. So I'm gonna see if we could find anything.